Okay, the first problem, number 17, said what mass of H2SO4 is contained in 60 milliliters of 5.85 molar. And remember, that means this part right here means we can write for every 5.85 moles of H2SO4, there is 1 liter of H2SO4 solution. Meaning that in order to make 1 liter of this, I needed to dissolve 5.85 moles of this in there. Okay, well, and then I can say, okay, well, I didn't make 1 liter. I made 0.06 liters of H2SO4 solution. So for every blank moles of H2SO4. So I'm going to go from here to here. It's times 0.06. So it's about 6% of this number. And this comes out to be somewhere around 0.35, let's say, moles of H2SO4. Well, they wanted the answer in grams. So this is about 1/3. So it's about 1/3 of a mole of H2SO4. And H2SO4 is 98. So this will come out to be about 32 grams of H2SO4. Now, if you use the calculator, you're going to get a little bit better answer, but that's the general gist of that one. Okay, and the second one of these problems said, what mass, so again, we're looking for grams, calcium chloride hexahydrate. Okay, so we know that calcium chloride is CaCl2, and a hexahydrate is simply, we put a little dot there, and that just shows that there's 6 hydrates or 6 waters attached to that. So those waters are part of that solid particle. So calcium's 40, chlorine is 71 with 2 of them, and we got 6 times 18. And that comes out to be about 108 plus 71 plus 40. So that's 148 plus 71, 219. So there's the molar mass of this substance. So it's a lot heavier than we would expect it to be. And remember over here, we got a 2.5 molar solution. So we can immediately switch that and we can say for every 2.5 moles of calcium chloride hexahydrate, H2O, there is 1 liter of CaCl2.6H2O solution. Well, that might be the worst O I've ever made. Oh, there we go. And then on the other hand, here we didn't make 1 liter. We made 0.7 liters of CaCl2.6H2O solution times 0.7 times 0.7. So 70% basically of 2.5. Now 70% of 2 is 1.4. And 70% of that would be 0.35. So that is 1.75 moles of CaCl2.6H2O. And you can either do one of two things. So I would say that this is, look, this is 1 3/4, which is 7/4. Right? 1 3/4 is 4 times 1 plus 3 is 7/4. Times the molar mass, which we said was 219. Well, let's see. That didn't help at all. So we'd have 219 for 4/4, and then 3/4 of that number. 3/4 would be about 15 and 165. So this is about 384 grams of CaCl2.6H2O. And again, you can use a calculator, probably get a better answer than I can here, but somewhere around there. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.